Afternoon, Jamaica. Today is a day where my guest done and I say, alright, I'm going to lift up the deal. Upon my church, but I can buy gas. So I walk up in June. Okay, someone me love fly. Yeah, me enjoy flying. One of my passion. So anyway, today was a regular day like any other day. Buy gas first, come back home right to the church up at Woodford. So I'm say, I go find, well, not find, I go look. Basically pay a visit to the mystery waterfall. So I call it because of course it's in the middle of nowhere. So I take off, I fly. Well, I'm flying now, everything alright. No problem, no stress. But I mean, I go on YouTube a while ago and I type in DJI Mini 2 control. Basically won't charge. Because what happens is I fly 3,000 odd meters away to the waterfall. Right? We reach everything alright. As I can see. Hold on like this. Yeah, so we reach the waterfall. We have signal, control, everything alright. No problem. Everything alright. So I zoom, do this, do that. I mean, the waterfall is not a mystery to me anymore because I know exactly where the waterfall is located. Well, by drone, not by foot. As you can see, everything alright. I fly, I'm good. Still have signal, even though we're 3,000 meters away and I'm within the wilderness, still have signal. Everything alright. I'm not stressed, I'm not a problem. My heart not beat fast. As I say, a regular day like any other day where I go for a spin or go for a flight. But of course today, I learned something new. I won't tell you what it is, just give me a second. Just go enjoy the video. And of course, we come up here, so I try to search so we can see see where the water come from. So I try to search the little river, the little channel. See another piece of the river right there, so. That look like another waterfall too. Come zoom. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in. As you can see, that look like another waterfall. But another smaller version, see? On the smaller. Because you can see the water come from up on top of the rock. This a stroll down there, so. Alright. Everything alright, same way. Still have signal, still alright. Still you can see what I'm doing. So right about here, so I lose connection. The phone screen just go blank. And I see it say RC not connected. So of course I plug out the cable because sometimes I untouch the cable and I tap plug in by the cable. The same thing me I see. Right now you see the drone fly by itself right there, so because the control dead. So luckily me did the lower. Luckily me did it higher than them 3 here because anyhow me did even dip before, so me go down low because that was the aim. The aim was to go down lower if you can get a better image of the waterfall. So if any me go down lower, me lose my drone. Luckily the drone chip out the control just got dead for no reason at all because the control never want charge. Right now, I'm afraid now. I'm there, 3,000 meters away, and I'm afraid. I'm a John star. But I give time. I say, you know what? A part of me afraid, a part of me say, Hussein, go on easy. Right there, so why the most of us, I speed it up for cut out some of the journey because it actually take 6 minutes, call it 7 minutes to come back from which battery there. So basically speed it up so I don't get bored. Yeah, so right now I'm afraid. Stand up at the wall at Woodford Church. The control and the control not on and the battery not dead. You see me I say, I mean I wait for hear little Jones sound, I wait for hear because me I say me I get at least one 5 minutes or 1 6 minutes. If I hear it, me know it's about I hate that. So I wait about 6 7 minutes and then I start hear the sound. So that you wanna start land now. Yeah, so when it land now, it there was a because I can't control it, luckily. I just this at the church. So I said come back at God. Come back at God catch it with the hand because me downstairs, me the down below the wall with something like one cloth for try to catch. Say in case the drone come at the banana tree, we can catch it. But right now, so now you see the drone one land because well see it land now. You see it land now. Each up on the banana tree. I mean I say to how it each up, in a little movement, it can jump off and a fire to go jump. And it did a mash up and I said, John start. But just run go by the church. Run go up there fast. I run go down one part. And I look, I see the John, I see one of the arm them hang up on a banana tree. I say, yes, Father God, they catch it for me. Thank you. So I just grab it, come back down. Right now, the control still not come on. I want to go up on YouTube and YouTube realize other people have the same problem with them. Either them DJI Mini 3, 2, the Mavic Air 2 or the DJI Mavic Air Pro 2. The control not charging and not coming on. So I don't know. I know I run other problem here, but I just share it. So whenever you fly, just be careful, Rasta. Be careful. Always make sure you take car from a spot where clear. So in case you lose, in case I'm to you, in case I'm to me and to you, you still have a drone.